Hi, I'm Subramanian, NLP practitioner from Chennai. I come here to meet uh, trainer Pradeep Aggarwal. He turned my life when I was desperate, having a good product and a good technique, not able to earn money. Something sluggishness in my mind. To reprogram in my subconscious mind, I need his support in one of the training in Chennai. When he came for Hypnotic Circle, 2 days 50th year celebration. I asked him desperately when he handled one case of a lady from Bangalore. I had a similar problem. I think he's the right person to solve this. When I approached him, he said, "You are lucky. Next week I'm going to conduct one program in Hyderabad. Come there, then definitely you will get your problem solved." I had 100% faith, and then immediately I booked all my training program and attended immediately in the month of last year, July, in Hyderabad. And I got the full advantage in it. I can say when it did one technique, future associating and dissociating, anchoring, all the things, I felt it's like a real magic what has happened and all. And it is beneficial to all the people also in the crowd. I got the record and also after went back, I saw that a few times. And not only my problem, even certain things I learned in that 3 days workshop. The gentleman not only is mastered in NLP, hypnotherapy and all, he got his own idea of HRA and magic question and all. He got the trademark things. That really fascinated me. I believed it. I started practicing it. After a month or two, in Zoom, he conducted a magic question for these people. He accommodated me in that workshop. Then that questions, I had faith, in avoiding why question, asked how it happened, how fast I can get this question, come over from my CC limit, earn my things. Honestly speaking, more than 25 lakhs CC limit was there. 25 lakhs. And I was doing good in the Rotary. I will attend all the international program, frequent flyer, enjoying life and all the things. But of late, I understood I was paying from my CC, which I have to pay 18% interest monthly. Then I thought I have to finish up the CC very effectively. I got a wonderful product and technique also I know. What is stopping me? Then this magic question really helped me to how fast I can come out from this trouble situation, how fast I can earn good money, what I have to do. All this question I asked next day morning, reply will come immediately. I'll note down. Sincerely believed it, I practiced it. And this ailment, particularly I had some joint pain in my, I am 73 old, 72 plus. So I had knee pain, get up from the bed, I have a severe knee pain. In his workshop, he told me to eradicate this subconsciously and also place an anchor in subconscious. That is also great. Most of people tell. He say, without every time touching that anchor, delete it permanently. That aspect really worked for me. That earlier I used to spray, used to apply gel and other things and all. It happened to me. I can't believe that. I get the solution. I shared with my people. So many people didn't believe it. Even I played to my brother when he was sick. All things. So this one, July to December, slowly things happening. I said it's not enough. I just want to get it faster. How fast I can get it. Then January, I can't get into my book fair. Very rare. All the 10 days it was very dull, no result, nothing. Suddenly, one AHM, this assistant headmaster, came to my stall. This 3D animation is very good. You are having it in Tamil. So could you come and share this one to my CEO? He is desperately looking after this kind of software. It's also practicing for NEET and JEE. That's a new software at the time of this one. Reliance Geo Education along with the Mbibe, they come out with the 3D animation with a lesser price and all. I'm dealing with digital board, 4K board, as well as the software gel with doing a great job. Then without hesitation, next day I went to the Thiruvallur, 40 kilometer away. I asked my distributor to come with the board. He came. Just half an hour, less than half an hour, 10 minutes after seeing that, CEO got excited. Can you come next day? We are calling 200 HMs there. CEO from Chennai, bigger educational officer also coming. Definitely will give you order, but you have to do one more display tomorrow. Then immediately I agreed. Company also agreed. We did. Touchwood immediately gave one board to one school, model school. Then immediately ordered for another 11 board. The value is totally 24 lakhs. And I made around 7 to 8 lakhs. The 24 lakhs CC limit, 7 to 8 lakhs means another software I invested, 3D software I invested around 5 lakhs. That I can sell up to 10,000, 5,000, 10,000 I can sell. School wala so happy, he got 10,000 you are giving with GST, next year they may hike. Reliance wala, they do like this. Okay. Can you give me 3 years for each boat? I said, okay. As if I am doing it as a special case, I just invited a day and then the next day agreed. So totally 10, 12 boat means 36 license went. That is all I invested already, 2 years, nothing happened. So big bumper, again around 11 lakhs I earned on this, while selling all the things. Then one more thing, I cannot share here, certain things he helped me to earn more. Then a similar way, CSR fund and one another Rotary order, just like that it came. Just like that it came. One land I am not able to sell for long, 3-4 years. In Magic Question I also put this. Suddenly, last month, one person desperately came, that also settled. I got that advance money. June, second week, rest of the money I will get. Now I am away from CC. I can get back my flat, which I gave it as a, what you can say, encumbrance. I come out. Now I will be making in this year, before the year end, around 10 to 15 lakhs as deposit. Against deposit, I may run the business effectively. My goal was, at my 70th year, I set my goal, however I earned, right from day 1 to 70 years, maybe 3 crores, bank 46 years, it gave me around 70 lakhs only, total income, gross salary. Marketing, I made around 2 crores. So to put together 3 crores. That 3 crores I want to earn in 75th year, before 75th year, and said goodbye to my doing this kind of job. Run one old age home, effectively involving myself, do that. 3 years, nothing happened. 2 years, nothing happened. Coming to Aggarwal, now I am confident. See, this 3 months time, I am able to make 25 lakhs means. Now, momentum started from kinetic energy. It is moving. Momentum started. I am sure. Why 75th year? 1 year before itself, I will complete the target. However, a lifetime earning, I make it in 1 or 2 years. 75th year onwards, no working, only consultating somebody doing, or help so many people to do it. Happily, I will run with my goal of old age home. Happily help people and do that. One thing I got recently from another gentleman, morning 4:45 to 6 I am doing. He says, however, whatever you earn, 28% for saving, 28% you give it to needy people. That I follow. So generously I give, I can tip anybody, give. They are also in the training, every day I have to think about yesterday, thank 5 people who helped you in anything, small or big. So in that category, immediately I thought this, having in mind, having gotten into the concept, I thought I can thank the people who supported me to come up from the desperate to comfortable position. So I come here only for thanking Aggarwal for help supporting me in doing this, and also carry his message, help other people to come successfully in life. That is my goal. Thank you.